Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can enter vendor information in QuickBooks Online. So let's get started. First, open QuickBooks or visit qbo.intuit.com to access your account. From the home page, navigate to the Expenses section, which you'll usually find in the menu bar. This will take you to a page where you can view and manage all expense-related tasks. Now, look for the New Supplier button in the Vendor Management area. Click on it, and a form will appear where you can enter your supplier's details. Start by typing in the supplier or vendor name. Accuracy here is important because it ensures that all transactions are recorded under the correct party. Next, add the company name. This detail often appears in reports and invoices, so make sure it's correct. Then enter the vendor's email address and double-check it, since email is the primary method of communication for invoices and confirmations. After that, provide the supplier's phone number, and if applicable, add a fax number too. Move on to the address field and type in the complete supplier address. This information matters not only for communication, but also for compliance and tax purposes, depending on the region. Now, include the business ID number, followed by the preferred billing rate and payment terms, for example, net 30 or net 60. These settings help streamline your payment process and align with the agreements you've made with the vendor. Next, enter the account number associated with this supplier and choose the default expense account where transactions will be recorded. If there's already an existing balance with this vendor, you can also enter an opening balance at this stage. Once all the information has been carefully filled in, click Save. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.